This is MK series input oil seal replacement method. Firstly, check the input oil seal dimensions thoroughly and make it available. After receiving new oil seal, remove the existing oil seal by using screwdriver or tools without damaging it. Now clean the input shaft and casing area by using cotton. Apply 50 to 60% grease on oil seal lips. Now place new oil seal on the shaft and press oil seal on casing area. Fit oil seal by using mandrel or proper tools. Check visually whether oil seal is fitted properly. Clean shaft and oil seal properly by using cotton. For more information, download the Premium Transmission app from Google Play Store.